going on? It's your main man, Wade Direct. And we're looking at Man Nature You Scary. I'm talking about Man Nature You Scary. Here we go. Cram. Tony Baker. Cram. Oh, yeah, you're done for, dude. You're done. You're totally done. People in that car, man. Oh, my goodness. What are those? I don't get it. What's the danger part about it? What's what?
The duck got it.
Oh, the duck got it. Woo! Boy, I thought I was in there. That is a woolly mammoth. Towards unharmed. Yeah, okay. Yeah, she was harmed.
Oh, no. Oh, my God.
Bro, get out the water. Yeah, you an idiot. Get out.
He sees it. Look at him.
Stupid.
Oh, my God.
That's her hammerhead. Oh, this don't look too good. Yo, little kid, you better run, boy.
Alright, here we go. One,
Y con la chingala.
two.
Wait.
Jesus Christ Almighty! Snakes! Jesus Christ!
There's a snake in my boot.
I think we gotta go.
Well, in my pants, so.
Be careful, Evan.
Yeah, do not stick your hand in there, boy.
Oh my God! That's a big gator, buddy. That is a big gator.
Oh, it was a big gator. Okay, what we have here? God. Dog! Yo! Hey, monkeys are smart, bro. Get the whatever you're running from. Get the kid. What's coming? Pause. It ain't nothing. Oh, that's a big old snake. Did it get in? Can it get in? Oh, thank God. Oh. Ah. He's just casually laughing.
Jesus Christ. Gotta be careful here.
Notice you have not seen one black person. Not one. Ooh, that's a big old gator, cuz. Bro, go! Did you fall? Holy crap, that is a big old
That puts an
gator.
end to my tarpon fishing.
You think? Look how big that thing is.
Get back.
Oh, I'm running good. Oh, I'm running. Oh, it's a big old elephant. They look like Taiwan. Oh, heck no.
Playing with lions is important to never show fear.
Never show fear, all right? What are we watching here? Is that a kid? Oh, that's a gator. He said, ooh, oh, he biting them. Guys, that gotta be Florida. Oh no, run. He hit him with the gotcha. Horseback riding. Oh, that horse weak. That horse said, y'all gotta go. That horse said, y'all gotta get up off me.
big stick or something. Big stick. It's heavy, whatever it is. That is not a stick. Oh,
That is a gator.
my God. That's not a stick
It's an alligator.
at all. Holy sh! Holy sh! Oh my Lord! Holy moly!
Holy moly.
Wow, that changes things.
Holy moly. What we got here?
Hey,
We got a...
hey, hey.
Oh, that's a black
Hey.
bear. That is a
Hey.
black bear. Oh, God.
Hey.
Alright, what? A squid got a crab?
Hey, there's an octopus eating a crab.
Hey, octopus tastes good, by the way. I don't know how an octopus is going to eat a crab, but he can try. Oh, he taking him to the deep abyss. How could an octopus eat a crab, though? That's, I mean, what? How can you eat that? You know what I'm saying?
I'm
What
not
is
gonna
that?
bug you.
What is that?
I'm going
What-
away.
What is that? What is that? Is that a
I promise
mountain
I'm not
lion?
gonna bug you.
Oh my
I'm not
God,
gonna
that
bug
is
you.
a
I'm going
mountain
away.
lion.
I'm going away.
That is a
I'm
that
going
is a
away.
cougar.
I'm going
That
away.
is a
I'm not
cougar.
gonna bug you. I promise. I'm going
Oh
away.
God dang
I'm
it!
going away. I'm going away. I'm not
See?
gonna bug you. I'm going away.
White people, stop! Oh! Oh no!
You could break right through that glass. Leave it alone.
I have a gun.
You have a gun, okay? Oh my
I'm walking
freaking
backwards
God!
back to the camp,
Are you? Guess a
I'm walking
grizzly
on the trail.
bear.
and Mom and 2 cubs.
Oh
So
yeah,
I'm
you're done.
continually
They're gonna maul
walk
you.
backwards.
They are going to maul you, dude. Oh my gosh!
And Mom and the cubs keep following me.
Oh my gosh!
And are walking at
Bro.
least as fast as I am.
Bro, where you need to reach a car?
Nó còn bám miệng rồi đấy nhá. Ôi.
Cho thì xin anh
What is that? Here we go again. Y'all by yourselves in these wild places. That is a freaking bobcat, bro. I'm shooting it. I'm a bah, bah.
Go away. No.
Oh my God, bro.
No. You, dude. Holy.
I'll take that thing down. I'm like, what's up, boy? I'll take you down, boy.
Get the away from me. Face.
He got away though. Hey, he got away. Hey guys, see you guys later. Peace.